I'm here with 2 women and 1 man who would share with us all, if not all, but most of the things that they have gone through, and especially also in our communities. I have here with me Sister Abna, Sister Gifty, and then Mr. Al Hassan, who will be sharing with us their experiences. So quickly delving into the conversation, let me start with Sister Abna. And then some of them will be speaking to us in Dagbani and in Twi and in English. So I believe that as they speak in the local dialect, I'll do my best to translate this for all of us to understand. We are also able to answer some of your questions. So drop your questions on our live feed. If you are watching us on Facebook, we'll do what to answer your questions as well. Stabna, good morning.
Morning.
And that was the same abaha said ye no kan no ene no sack ne partners ne NGOs bebre ye di menka ne say afahia ye friend no 16 days of activism against gender-based violence. Ye nim say e bia asema obeka no emu odru enye oba nyina na obia na obetimi aba nipa mu abeka nasem nti ye na ye pese ye bisaw Oko issues ni mu na ebia nipa na one ne wo ho na obo oma uskadi ade no my story ne kakra said there na esitie like emo challenges and problems na esitie no na eba wo mu sen na wutimi edwane free sa problems ni so I don't think na ye wa hai ne
okay that's it me ware me ne be me yite kama
Pacho betimi akasa den kakra mai
echire because omene no efa yefun first ya fa yefun first obo me na okache mse nyinse ne nya ne dia ana me e busu afo ase me nya abotre na me fa ya na me di ko wo ye me wo ya atete na amane eduane kwapa me di kwapa na ye den ma me enti na mi ko efum kosu eja ma ton eja na menya eduane nti
ti na oma wusika so
no ma hwe no hwe akora no so even ono ankasa na maame a wawo no kora no wo hwe no nti mi na mekwa na maba na me ne maame ene ne sister ketu edi nti yesa na mabre na medwane ko Kumase me ko Kumase se me koye ba ho dwuma me koye ba adwuma no be 1 year na me se me sa kwa e bia e be sa asesa me koye the same problem and I'm sacrifice second yinsay
but second yinsay no e ba sen because oko kase
second yinsay no o repeat me
okay
and I miss me de ne be call akọ report na o mo se me nja o ye me kunu me yesa enya and
akọ report e wa hemfa
e we wajo
okay
and me jaye nti me jaye no me wu akora no wie ye akora ne da moja ne so obai o peja o so akora ne nan se wo to atwene
akora na wawo no mo no
na akora ne da moja no
wow
ana me sori ya ne moja na me so akora no mu na me fa akora no me de ntuma kyekyere akora no na me de ne dwane kom papa fie me de ne kwa ma me say we die on pene ma me say me sori ne moja ne sa me na tia na moja ififa me na say ne de ko bolga wejo ne kwa report ye na mo man letter okoye mo locking for 3 days no mo see yambra ye koye kasa oso won de wa kyekyere ahoma 7 months na me wo akrante akra na nya ne ba ena on mo jaman one mbema no ena mbema na ebusa no ema mbema no kwa pe bo no wo ho no mo so mo sa fa no kotu nto mo de no kotu mu no mo se me ko fie na me ko home nti me ko tena papa fie ama akra ne nyini ye kura ama na ne uncle so ye djuma wo wejo wana ba yifi no paacho na ye yi no no mo sa de me ko ho to mo sa de me ko ye no akra na anche akra no wuye nti akra no wuye na efrim na me se we de me sa wo biem wasa force me ma me ne sa daaye na me sa fa yefu me fa yefu wasa akra nsa nya ne ba biem atete eduane a menyinse kra duane medi mitimi sa eburo sam na ma nya muku na biegu na ma no Yes, aka.
TZ like a sam na wanya moko edidi banku. Na wo dey mix na one
na ma no.
Wow.
Obi wo ho a o ka TZ odi na ade chi a wo se ubedi mi se amedi bi ni bi. No de aba. Ne metwi mokonko a ene enchene na me de ada ne kwan na me de edi. Na mete ho me se mpaibo. Me de mpaibo se ebe sesa ensesa. Nti esa na me de wu me nkwala 4 ni nyina e wo ne nche. Nti na afide na me hwe asete no otimi bomia na ma pagya me kwato.
But obo so is it that oye ni bibi nti no
obo? Me nya ni bibia e ti say metena ho say ya ene ma ene emba ni bia yete ho oba obo no wakata na ni ba ko wo oba. Na mo se ye abana. Onipa na ebo sori na dwane. Na ma sori na dwane. Se metime ndwane a wache obetimi abo mi se wa obeba se obepata no obepra.
Wow.
Na me sesa me nkwala.
But mpese wo kan bibi wo ka say nkwala na ba ko owo no no opagya akla ne se obeku no.
Yes, me baba ako second born Roda. Ode ne kwanwura mu. Na obi ka chem say ye abana bese ode oba na kwanwura mu bese na kwohwe. Me koduro na me tie mu say he Roda. Na akwa ne pie. Me say ade na ode ye me ba. Akwa na ka chem say mma ode blade ode aye ni say. Na me fa akwa yi. Afre na me ho popo. Me koda esieye ene kura 3 days.
Wow.
Ene ebisu afo say mankwa obekumi. Ampa oka chem say mankwa obekumi.
But the best sound about story no everybody because wait there it is wow, it is I'm shaking. I'm shaking. I've never really heard the story. That's Mr. Gifty. Epacho and so yeah, that's a parcel. What say ya wetimi abeboa ye enedwumadi say the misika ye no story ebetimi aboa me ebetimi aboa sisters ne brothers ene omi na ehia hai nti sexual and gender based violence also what dey understand o pese o Canada gba ne twi brofo yini na ayete na yente won ka on kasa den okay, kasa. Okay, kasa.
Mami bana kumesha ni.
Ole kasa.
Okay. Me bana kumesha ni mpanya la bjago. Mbani jonga. Mbanya nyopam do yile polo. Mene yidanda abjani kamala bjenga ku kan kache bjima tama. Nira mi ya pam bjago polo. Nda ka to nda ka nyanga because nlambe da je doma kan force include doma yuso den no lama ka doma dan che bi ma jalma odia mano nya mana disa me da ka ban sha'anam da so mu sugi ta fara hal bi mai ka lafi ba akan wuyan songa na alayun nim shaw banda bora bja sun ka achane do yili shel don ku songa ka sa ka za asma ban san kan len gucha nti yel ba biwel ka bola ntun tale don pon nan ma nan ya do ma ne rubu juni bima e ba ila ce bima jalma wula kan yanna so ban kan da an chan tu zon pare ka son bima da shi po bin sha kam za duzo biagun wona du to pam ti bi pronse ai sna kalan yala ka chan tu juso na kalan yala oje nyin kurugu yi don tan kan ya ben sha nyin biya bora nyin jina bisa zo aku to nyare ni ya har ni zo jima ma na mo lo sro senior high school mbala once re bi yirna obayile man ku mo lo wensla ba ma mi ko nya vena ai ku ko le family ma stories
ka second marriage ma
danyala bicham salman ranya bi ma we kaniru ku yara ku to jiala sheka lan cham into marriage kanalan ludo mun danyala ya jo arba nukulo kamuno jo abia nara ndo CS kabra no operation it's a hospital bills ma za da ban da an kaban sha'anon ma man da yo ka to kuna yin suna after suna ma nan na ya to abebe ashirin operation kana fa 2 weeks ka rejel ni yin sa okulaga ka do ma bura hal banjir wanda min jiya ko chanta da banjir ko ban mi ma ni yɛrŋɔ ba mi yɛltɔɣa maa bin di shahara
ada niŋdi la o binshaɣu ka o bura bee
anti bɔ ka yɛn niŋ daa bi niŋdi shɛli o ko yɛn dala bindirigu na ti dira ka a gbubi bilaɣu n ʒi duu ka kum mala dira mi gba ka ti nyɛla saɣa kurili n samli n o da bindirigu na ti dira hala a bɛ duu ka o diri bindirigu o meeki shuɣu ka a wum ni o diri bindirigu because o yɛn zaŋ dirigu maa ni mo yɛltɔɣa ka yaara hali dahin shɛli ni daa ti sɔhirimi ka n kɔɔli sista so bɛ mali shɛɣu nyɛ biɛɣu ŋɔ ni ne n bi di kɔba ni o duɣimi ni o bi ku tooi zaŋ bindirigu maa na ti tima ka n yina ni n chaŋ ti n deei bindirigu maa ka chɛ bia maa sɔŋ din dali maa ti nyɛ yili maa bin ku chaŋ ka chɛ bia maa ka mi ni sɔhira n daa ka ni yɛn niŋ shɛm hali din dali o daa buma mi ka mi yuwa yɛla ni ka chaŋ ti deei because n daa lan ka ni yɛn niŋ shɛm naɣa lan chaŋ ti deei bindirigu maa na ti di do so daa rent bɛ ti yiŋ maa ni ka o yina ti bɔli maa gifti di chaŋ mɛ misa zibilim biɛɣu ŋɔ ni ne n bi di binshɛɣu asiba halli ni pumpum ka o zaŋ 40 cedis tama ni n deei duɣi mɛ ni ʒiya ŋɔ n tiɛn chaŋ ti daa binyɛra nim ti duɣi n lan kari yaa n niŋ bin puuni ka daa chaŋ ti deei bindirigu maa na ti di before ka naan bu soya duɣi bindirigu hali di daa bi zandi maa ni ka o ku yɛli ni muni o kuli ha kpe
ama di ŋmanila ada yɛn o daa kahila nima ka vuɣu a dɔɔ
so o yɛli ni muni o kuli ha kpe ni shee ka n chaŋ so o yɛli n chaŋ doo yili mi ti paɣaba ti zɔrimi naa yi doo yili first leader maa daa kani second one maa ala n yili a ti ʒiya niriba yɛn lihiri ala ni vuɣu yɔli bee akala halli din yɛn chɛ ka a ku tooi ʒini doo yili do zo n chaŋ maa zaa ŋgba daa zaɣasirimi ka ku ʒiya o yi ka kana dundɔŋ maa zaa daa baŋya ni o lan jɛma n kahimi nɛma chaŋ bana n daa zaɣasi ka biɛni so hali a biɛni laa maa gba o chɛ ka dundɔŋ maa yili maa zaa baŋ naa mini o lahi ka binshɛɣu amaa yuŋ yi paai o n fɔɔsiri ni o kpɛna duu ti ka mini o ti dɔli so hali n yi daa kpari inside duu maa ka bi zaŋ shaafi kparili biɛɣu ne yɛla n bala bo zuɣu ka ŋuni n su o yili ka o mɛ ka o taa duu ka a biɛni bo zuɣu ka a pati inside ŋun yɛn kpɛna duu tam kam zaa ka ŋun kuli lahi tooi kpɛna so n kam maa zaa dan shɛli ti daa yi ka kana ka o ti vala ti niɛma zali varanda ni n chaŋ ka n bi gari ka niɛma maa ku do varanda maa ni so dan shɛli ka n ku chɛli zali nimaani ka vuɣu goro maa n tili ka ti ku chɛla ka yɛrigi bin duuni tiŋ la mi bi kahi neen shɛŋa din bɛ varanda maa ni kpɛ duu maa ni so ti ku biɛni mi la bɛ shɛli ka n ti lan chaŋ tuma ni ka kana ka o ti vuɣu ti dundoli maa tili so bin vuɣu ti dundoli maa hali pumpoo kan bia maa pa niŋ hankali gba tii daa chɛna ka a bo shakira bole niŋ ka ilan ka ba Dada pack my mother things. Even pack my things and throw it away.
So, la ku en yara nirba.
Ala ku buhu ya be pumpoo ni pa nema. Alpa buhuru.
She won't say.
Sa yala ban sha adan dana. Hal o da fu dun dal man da ku tilan masu ka be yilma ne da ba ta. Nzo so lady so da rent be yilma ne. Kan joju da ba ta. In ha dal ma kan na yarin fashion ma wani.
Shi ka ci.
Ba na fahimma so.
Okay. Tun lab na sane. Mr. Lassan. Sai wun paɣaba maa noli dabba maa ni niŋdi ba shɛm yini dabba maa gba wula ka paɣaba maa gba niŋdi ya
n paɣaya ni nyɛ chance ni n tɔɣisi yɛlmuɣisiri din be ti dabba sani ka n lan paɣa pam ni nyɛ chance ni n di fiila ŋɔ maa ni yɛn di fiila shɛli ŋɔ maa lala fiila ŋɔ maa nyɛla din yɛn chɛ ka maŋa n da paliba ka bi baŋ ni kadama n mini bi ma di pala n jɛla bi ma bee n daa niŋla wikit zaŋ kana bi ma sani yɛlimaŋli musulinsi n yɛlisi ni ti tim paɣaba jilima dama doo yi bɛni ka paɣa kani a ninvuɣu maŋ tali dina bi n bi a ninsali tali dina bi paai doo yi bɛni shee ka a mali paɣa maa mi shee ka a mali paɣa maŋli a yi zaŋ paɣa maŋli zaŋ nam zuya yɛn dɔɣila bihi ka bi mali alibarika yɛlimaŋli n paɣa maa n minu ti yisina wara bɛ ma viɛn yɛla pam ka mini o dɔɣu bihi hali bihi maa bi shikuriti wara sɔŋ ma dira ayi ti paai luɣu shɛli polo ka di yɛn gbuligi ma o yɛn sɔŋ ma ma n sɔŋ ma di zuɣu bihi maa bi shɛba bi chaŋ shikuriti pam wara tam sɔŋ ma amaa ka di daa ti kana saha shɛli ka o yuli di bi tu ni o bihi yi polo ka o lan miriti ma a mi binshɛli din kuli n tahari nyɛ nyɔngi na paɣa mini o yidana sunsuuni nyɛla miribi ŋɔ maa yi ti bila mirita amaa o mirita na ŋuna hali o tuma a taali a bi nyɛrili ka di nyɛ taali to ka di niŋ ka o zaɣasi ni o kula mirima na yuŋ yi paai yɛn kpɛla duu ti doya o bɛn kana yi kana ti kpuhi ko yɛma ni chɛma ni o kanna kan chaŋ o bɛn kana kan labina ka dundoli kpara kan yɛlo kpaŋ maa maŋ pam di bi tu ni mina ni ti zabira ka bihi maa baŋ doo ni kpɛbi zuɣu ka n ba mini n ma zabiri maa di bi tu lala bihi maa yi polo o bi wumdi tiri maa o bi wumdi tiri maa kan yɛn yi je suli ni o wan taɣi ka je suli ni o bi taɣi ka yɛn to o la niŋ bindirigu ni je suli zaɣasi bindirigu maa yin zaɣasi bindirigu maa wan deeni wan bo sandaani o yɛn niŋ saɣa yɛn zaɣasi lila dibu biɛɣu ne ka o paɣa paɣali n tam ka o mini o bihi di ka niŋ nima dira ka niŋ nima shia kan ti yɛn mini o kula n kpɛ ka karo ni o kuli ma di saha o ma miira biɛla bili piɛla moɣali na luŋfɔŋ ka o kuli nimaani o kuli ni yaa ka chɛ bihi maa tima zaɣ bihiraa bɛ bi ni biɛɣu ne ma yɛn suba kom bi niɛma ka paɣa bi niɛma ka di ti kɔŋ ti man yɛli yi kpɛrila yoo karim paɣa maa naba yi kpɛrila maa ŋun ni o ku chaŋ ni o daa yɛlima o daa tima suglo ka n zaɣasi ka zaɣasi ni o ku chaŋ ka man kari o naba ni kari o naba ka o ma ti yɛli yaa ni o kala alaafee mɛ n paɣa n bala ka n mini o bɛ duu ka o ka alaafee ka n ba mini o ka alaafee n ma paɣa suglo ka o kuna ŋun yɛ ma ni n kuli ma ni o gbaa dabisili mɛ n ma o chaɣa ti kuli zuɣu ŋun yɛ yaa ni n paɣa n suglo ni o di bɔri ni pɔhim biɛɣu maa darimi ha pɔi ka o naan kuna mɛ n ma man n nyɛ pɔhim biɛɣu maa ka o bin so n zabi yɛŋa man mini o n zabi maa dama man ka o bi niŋdi ni bɔri shɛm ni zuɣu paɣa n suglo o mali o ni to o mali shili ka ti kuna ka o mali shili ka ti chɛna ni n bɛ tooni mɛ n ku bɛ tooni n bɛ tooni ka a zɔli labi gari n tooni ka o gari tooni ka ti chɛna tin ti kpɛri yiŋa ha ka yiŋ nim niŋ mali maa n sarisi ni marabi o mɛ n gonya o ka ti kpɛ to kama yɛ din niŋ shɛm maa din taɣi lala n kuli bala di bi taɣara n yi buli o dooni o zaɣasirimi to ka yuŋ ti paai di saha mi n daana pɛbirila sundu yuŋ yi paai ka n buli o ka o zaɣasi n yi doya n su yisirimi ka yuna n mali n paɣa ka yuŋ paai ka n buli o dooni ka o zaɣasi ka biɛni mɛ to n su ŋɔ mini yisi shɛŋa n yɛn dolli o yi daadama nim ni ka n yi sambani ni n ti ʒiya n pɛbiri sundu n kɔni pɛbirila sundu maa halli kuriga ayi ni pirigili gom yi ti gbaŋa pɔhim maha maa yi ti nyɛma ka n kpɛn ti doli lala halli ka shɛbira nyuri ataaya da kpɛm yili guli nyaanga bira booni ʒi maa ni wumpini yuf din niŋ ka bi ŋmaari ŋɔ di pa shɛli ka di yina wumpini yuf maa ni bi nya bin baŋ daliri din daa yihiri mana di sa ka n yi nimaani ka ti ʒi na nyuri ataaya ka pɛbiri sundu tira kpe ʒi nimaani shi asiba kuriga ata to lala saha maa alhaji ibrahim kpaba jiŋli maa man daa nyɛri laandana so n daa yi kuli chaŋ n ti kuna kuriga ata maa n bɛ n doni yɛn niŋ na alinaafila ka chaŋ jiŋli na n yɛn bihi shee yi ku puli jiŋli na kankana n ti ŋmaa gom biɛla ka naan chaŋ tuma na lala n daa kuli ka di bi taɣara di saha dagban dabbi fɔŋ ka tiraabe ka n ti kuna ka tarigi yɛ pala ŋɔ ka n kuna ni kuna ka tarigi yɛ pala ŋɔ ka n nyɛ paɣa so lala paɣa maa mi o yi dani n daa kani ka chɛ o so ka mini o to asugulu ka za ya dama pa betu ko za azang la ngunde yana ba ya do wai ko no gobo man ban shakam mo moy kana o santa zane kan malga ka du mo kana ta zan kan malga be ne ni fu yele ni no idan kan ma wo gapsa ka mi le di nan kan mini o bota ba lala zil suguma da ku biyo zo mammi ba za dan da gumma dan da katamala nan yaro tila to zo da saka min pa won mite ami mi pa ba ban yirla ta ba tan na ku biene na pa da ta ba ka sonya kan yelam pa lala pa ma nan ya pa ko sha ka pa wota kanan sane ka yina kan pa anyu kan yo woy pakwale o kuoy dan ke kan no to ku yi dana pakwale de sa meri borna mala pa ngo suhe mbu ma wo suhe ko to kana kan pa nan don ma to de ni nyen suhi sia su ne yise kan lebo ta pa ne lebo ta pa yo mangle sang pang mira nu mu ko chang ka to fu yin ma so bun fu yin ma su ni se ka en meta pa ma de jende la bun fu yin shelma ka jirla ma tun kan su sam kan guna te bago de yer ma ko lu tan kan guna te bago ka ko le bol nda palba kamena wo de bi fiala kamena ka kana ka ta ko gu kana shiptana ka ta di wo so manan be yan ku yan ban ko shin go ngula na shiptane manan be yan ka ku ban o awane de sahama kan pa jing lo kom wakati rana ba pa na fila men duma na on tu shel no fama bai tu mun pa wala fi nduma na on dum pa ma kana bor shambala nden nyoma no o bang na kadama za da an ko twema minute mi di sama ma mamman bang ya kadama sang pangla na kan nyema ta ora do hospital ma ora jira shiptuma ni biya ka yel mangle womi BP patient mi so sang pang wo jirlo ka BP supples den
wow
da pa mamba
okay
kana wongi ka docteur nam lo BP wo sanya jirlo wo wasya o to kuna ya me janabo o yu kam boy ma me kadara bor shaman non ngoma kadara bor shaman non ngoma to amma nan sim shel agbanan nan ma an nan sim shel ma bulun ti cheka nya men jende la ban ngoma zo pangmama mina ta be yi polo dutu ne ta zabra
yeah
dutu ne ta zabra dan ta be ma file kadama njebin ma zo halin yar ngoma mpa ma babu ko kaman ban ma yoni pensan ma o malapa man yelo pangmama mpa ma zangole ba ma ai be zang mpa ma le ba ma apa ma yunde apa ma ni bo no zo le ba zo pangmama nina mai gone ya an ben mama ji ko bi an ta bang ka dama da kalawu da lama zo bo so le ko mbe mama danin tale nyule te mine nyule bi la pa kam za hazo do ku to za sa pa do mi nyule zo do me pa kam za bur la nyule da ba mun ngar ngale le do kam mal la nyule
okay
ay ku che pa nyule zo ayen ku so na ba u ba za bur la nyule to amma da tuma karanin da sa
okay but I think for me it's a great conversation. I wish I could actually interpret all that they have said word for word, but I hope that you understand Dagbani on, so that you can understand very well the things they have said. But with the conversations you've had so far, you've seen some sort of sexual abuse, financial abuse, domestic violence. I'm glad that in all the stories they have given us, there are different kinds of abuse. Sometimes we only focus on the physical abuse where the victim is beaten. But, this is also a form of, abuse, especially from the man. And I'm glad that he has been able to, publicly admit that, he hit his wife. It wasn't intentional. And this is something that a lot of men wouldn't actually want to publicly admit, especially having ASP here. After admitting this in public, you don't know whether you are going to leave here the same or not. But this is just a conversation, and we are glad that he understands that this is not something that he should do or he should have done. The women have also had a high, chance of, physical abuse, financial abuse, among many others. I want to go back to Sister Abena to hear more of the story on how she was finally able to, to come out from that. Sister Abena, inti esi I say yesi wo baby offer akla ne se okokun akla no. Inti from there, what time call waju and I say ede na esi bio.
Ma kwa waju. Mede ne ko hini fie omo fie na ohini fie na ebe nti mede ne ko ho ekobo a ohini na amane na ohini ne frɛ no ogina ohini na nim didi na tam
odidi ohini na tam
aka che so wonja me ma no na ne yire ne me enye ne yire ne no ne me nti wonja ma asam ma no waka che so won peme me nko eye force ana ma nko obekum ti se ne bra ba ko no ku ne yire no enti ho na ohene ni se menko ena ne maame se menko ne maame bi na nu se menko no o fase kan twa ne maame mu
wait o twa ne maame
ama ne maame to ho na moja na mo de ne maame ko hospital na o mo se mehu man kwa obekuru na me hwere no na wo no mensa na o sa hye week ahụ enti ho na me se we de man kwa be wu agya menko la we na me wugya nkola ho na be hwe omo na me fa me nkola me dwane ba tamale ha me watamale ha no no so ba tamale ha ko kumbu no bisa ko hu bebi ayewo no obaye the same thing obaye na me sister na rent ye na baye na me sister lete me sister ne boyfriend baye obehu ye o se ye me boyfriend na obebo omo and omo so un say the Gombe boys na omo score omo frɛ omo nyanko omo ba na omo so ombekunu na papa ye fie ho no papa ba ko be patcho ohwa na me se debe me free baby a me sister ne ti akope baby a rent a sa papa we obe pa asama ama me na me free ho ko kumbu yiri down na me ko rent ye na o sa ko kumbu o kumbu obi ne de ne toilet ama o se ye kakra di waje aboso nipa ne ba fasis ne man o se o fasis ne man no toilet ye ne dia onim se aha nyina ye ne papa dia afide na bodam san no afide sorry ana omo kachi omo ji toilet no mo lock ye no mo pam no no osa pack ni no mo ko bolga nti o bolga eninde na msumi watermali ebusuafo se o yale ebusuafo se be mi ko fie ko hwe no me se nya de ameko
nti on hwe nkola no
on hwe even ebusuafo amitimi from se me omo mboa minisika na me fa ntwe nkwa school fees omo akache so omo krampo omo nibi abra omo wo bi enya se omo nibi omo akasa omo asi omo fie wa akra dia ma rent e wo omo amkasa dwuma me from se me pisika omo mboa me omo se omo nibi etimi na minim de me ye na me hwe me nkwara do omo bedi ene omo school hu asam nte ba emre bi bae na fre me nante akakwa wo obi timi fra me na me nte na ma yete se bodam ni bi na
wow
mitimi nante mitimi free kumbuyiri na man nante sa kwoti pola na ma se free pola nante aba kumbuyi o mutimi hwe me na ma adwene ni me ho na sata wo hu me wo na ma hye no ma bi basa na skirt na twe fom na tade ni baby antade na adwendwen mitimi twetena dem mesu sa mesi ntimi ne be ma wo pa na be ma gya nkora ya bo me so na me de brese ebusuafo bia ba ko bia emfini mitimi su sa ko na makọ pastor ho akọ kache pastor etumi fo na afide kakra na me say se menja adwendwene menja sa bema we echi dia mewu o na me de gya no na fide menya me ho na me de hwe me nkwala kakra.
Wow. Growing up, it was so difficult finding answers to all the questions that bothered my young mind. As soon as I found my purpose and understood my mandate, I made it a mission to answer as many questions as possible, bothering young people. I have mentored, inspired, and helped young people unearth their potentials through the Martha Inspires Foundation. However, I feel it is time to bring the conversation much closer to you. We have you in mind, you the young person. With my team of experts, we bring to you the Reflection Show, a show that focuses on addressing issues young people face, helping them to unearth their potentials, and giving them nothing but the best avenues in helping them solve issues that they may face in their young age. Join me, Martha Inspires, every Thursday and Saturday at 8:30 p.m. on Truth TV, the Reflection Show, restoring hopes. Star gifts. So, Pumpon, ameno nabzian nibe alanka yelmani. Ameno lankani. So, on the Burama, the Kana Suhene Achanta report with the police be Shepolo.
Mandana Jin report, Dikuna la, I call it. I never mind Papa Hala, so one and a minute Papa Zondo than Taharaji.
Ne Papa Zando Yidan Taharaji. Omi da beshama oyem bua obem nya nyimpolo okwem bua ka nyingbana wo ka ban yes bua ha en man yina ti yara ni bua ma be anin ben tare na alaban tena yilma na tinya obem kpa ni no polo anyingbana wo ko kwem bura so hali kana santi ya yibu bua ma aku anin aben believe ama nyingbana won le kwem biara mane za den no ma mo su kunya onyala no so mun chan shukuru Santa yellow way paga, Carolan Mar Chan Shukuruba, Anna Jabjar and Shanga, Yimala, Anna Lihme the landman of Chan Shukurama. Among Bon Chala Shukuna Zambima, Yina, Helen Zoom. Once the Nazim Piamunus soon. And maybe Chara, Shukuruku and call you. Kabodan and Cap, maybe. Is it that under a first see that man and Kanaka, Jiama? Adabili ho Halley, Adaku, because first one ma like it's like you said something like a lambda and a adokulu ka azasaka kulu. Then second one ma is that a lamb double yellow bonsha bokada lehe because apun kula do kada bchang ven yelanga ka 6 years ma is that nerebo no ni before sarami even though nerebo yara anye pa akana kadidana maybe go and marry and those things like is it all of those things in that checker you know do man karama abamaga man utumda o makarata o boarma bonda checker aku chance onkulu do mala
Nira kulo ma palanda rash mi kulo hali bisongo da benu ora bubla bisma song so ne pago tena ne populina ko karabiso ngundi
a first bima so under me to boyfriend girlfriend he was good
ora ka pro
cobra
so ne to ni
so he was good wow
onda karbima omne karbima sa shelman dalan kanin
so under karbima a first bima with your first marriage. So I'm in on that general or that day bima kama obia. I'm papa go yingma.
Because mo karabima man ko karma. Amaden dana kapulma punjana.
So epoloka first bima on that karoma
on that karoma nda zo mutinzo so. Ka kole obaba na manjelba. Nyadan kanasha. Mi mala poire kapwa na zam bima ka akbanga. Kaba ne bon kana ti degu kaba kana halakan to call them brothers so beta kurade kara yulo dan kana sha to mun da kana ta ko chan ku to bius
so pumpoma alanko sane ole herbima
hale shukuru da yu ka bima chan pips kan kolo ya shukuru ya bima buku nan wani zama no zam bima tama na wonzo so yala makakata.
Ozambi mata na unzo. Wow. So like pumpoma is like apamala bihai akunkon leherba. Doma ba kolera oba leher bihima.
Inshallah.
So how do you feel, Kama, after all these things? I regret yana Kama uncle because I'm surprised Kama maybe untachama other no la bonsha kota ben niribun dio fila kota because I am me too. He was very good.
Halmanu ku yino yengba so ku bo ka bole trola min ya kaza. Okuto yo ko en mala karamba. Okuto yala ngoko no.
Agwata hapuni abote Kama o namannu. Wow. To nan lamna mbala san. So then nan sama ka and yerma until I na pa man kana ko yohroma. So wula kada kama anton ka mino bozabe pa kolma like apa bo mo pahana be unda nang sama wula kada affect among a first wife ma men pa kolma susuni.
Then da kanala lama mini first wife mo da zabe pa ko nguna draba affecting me pumpum pa anyu one year second wife.
Oh, okay.
But 1 year second wife ma don kulben yala ne ye bihma ba ko asbama kalala ma dinin ye yel no so zantma do men bia abapa ambala aibati abapa ajilma abaka abati jilma
Okay.
abaka abati jilma do men o kul die wula pa ma yi kul die wula den kul nan ka ababu woma wole ba ma
Yeah, mangle.
aibati jilma abaka abati jilma
Okay.
rozo ne mane to ashel den zuka ye ji mo ma da nan man ya pam bihma ban wumle ka bang ne ka ma da palan jela ban ma de malaban shele dinin ka do mal pa ka pa ma ko ban matu wai ban mata duma din yela bin shel din yan piai duma yela na nyim bi ma yin ban yo be mo ma yi ba yi ti di la vi shele dan batu ne yi da gorsu yi mali ba won to chan tin bibla kore won to chan paso ka vi pa dan batu no bo paso won to chan ta bu wa mi ni mali mama yi mai mutu o kula nye pa ka yule kaman ka ko kore piuni to rozo din nan ki ma ban mutu kalala su ngoma ben ma tan ta bo pa ditu ni i mpa ma imma den yenche ka biagu ma kar viela kan ku ke yel shel ne ki bazazi vi dagba mi ne ba yuli kul be dar ba ko ba yuli be dar abai kul ntum ka vituma zala ba marsa ba yuli yimna ma to rozo den nyasum pam jingo ma den cheka bihma ka bo humle ka bang de ka ma bimma ma de pala njume man yele ka dama ora bi ma vien yela pam hali dum kunyam problem yela murbu mo ma ka ce ku bi ma bi ma ba song ma ya shemin kada kanka kamun o tab song ma kaman dun tune pa tab song de wayi dan shem o tab song ma la to ma murbu mo ma
It's very important to him.
Tamba dun kunyele
Okay. So, let me try to see if I can put everything they've said in summary. So, I won't try to put them by names, but we've had some of them that, got to a point whereby they were even physically assaulted and it affected their children. And that's what domestic violence or gender-based violence does. It just goes beyond you, the victim. It can go to the other victim as well. So you see that with some of their responses, some of their children almost lost their lives, and even one of them lost her newborn baby out of, gender-based violence. and one of the children also had to leave a very comfortable home that maybe the child or even the mother thought that the child was beginning to have a father and mother figure in their lives. So domestic violence is not just about you, the victim, but the people around you. So today, if NORSAC and its partners are having this conversation, it is not because we just want to have a conversation. It is because we want you out there to know that it is real. It is not something we see on TV. It's not something we see anywhere. It is something around us. And I'm so happy also for the fact that they are not speaking English for we to think that we went and brought them somewhere else. They are within us in Tamale, in the northern region, in the northern zone. It is happening, And then like Madam Gifty said, when she wanted to report the man, she was told that you do not, report your husband, for literal translation. In public, you are not supposed to summon your husband. It's a form of disgrace or whatever. These things must stop. And later on, we're having a conversation also with ASP for her to tell us how we can also go through all these reporting processes and whether in legal terms it is wrong to actually report your husband to the police or not. But these conversations are a great conversation to all of us, and especially the young people. I wish I could get a young girl who will come and tell us how the boyfriend are beating her and then she's still in the relationship. You have a chance to leave. They are married and they are telling us the situations they have gone through. They are married and they are telling us that it can be so difficult to leave once you are married, but you are not married. So if you have a boyfriend or you have a girlfriend who has been abusing you, it is time to leave. It is time to leave. Growing up, it was so difficult finding answers to all the questions that bothered my young mind. As soon as I found my purpose and understood my mandate, I made it a mission to answer as many questions as possible, bothering young people. I have mentored, inspired, and helped young people unearth their potentials through the Martha Inspires Foundation. However, I feel it is time to bring the conversation much closer to you. We have you in mind, you the young person. With my team of experts, we bring to you the Reflection Show, a show that focuses on addressing issues young people face, helping them to unearth their potentials, and giving them nothing but the best avenues in helping them solve issues that they may face in their young age. Join me, Martha Inspires, every Thursday and Saturday at 8:30 p.m. on Truth TV, the Reflection Show, restoring hopes.
My name is Mohamed Samsi. I'm from Tinguri. Today we are at Beduri community with Martha Inspires Foundation and Plan Ghana. Today we learned a lot. We learned about menstrual hygiene. Then they taught us how to insect pad, how to remove pad, how to dispose the pad.
When you wear a sanitary pad, the long parts at the back prevent you from soiling the clothes you are wearing with blood, whether you have a heavy flow or a normal flow. So in an instance where the long one is in the front and the short one is at the back, you will end up soiling yourself. So when you open it, to the front parts, you have the short one. To the back parts, you have the long one.
We learn about how to change your pads when you are in your menstrual period. They taught us about how to speak in public and safeguarding. You need to protect yourself from harm. And some of the example of safeguarding is sex enforcement, allegation against staff, and grooming. And you've learned how to identify yourself. I want to say thank you to Plan Ghana. Thank you to Martha Inspire Foundation. We are really grateful. Thank you.
So as the team says, maximizing your potentials. Yes, you need to go through formal education to actually be fit for this work that you do. We might say that education is expensive now, but trust me, literally, illiteracy is more expensive.
My name is Marlene Egbedema, MNS. I work at the Tamale SDA Hospital, and I was very excited when we got here and saw that there were a lot of girls who came to learn from us, and the whole thing was very successful. I was very excited again when some of them actually listened and had questions to ask. Questions like when a girl is supposed to start her cycle, why some women don't have their menses, how long the menstrual cycle should last, and somebody asked me why they get their cycles twice in a month, and that shows that actually they came with a mindset to learn. All in all, it was a good time and it was exciting. I would like to thank Martha Inspire Foundation and Plan International for the opportunity. It was nice being here, so thank you to them.
My name is Mohamed Lambong. I'm from Buaini number 2, and then today we are here purposely for a youth empowerment summit. What we've learned so far here, in fact, we are speechless because we can't just express it, because we've learned a lot since Martha Inspire Foundation with Plan Ghana started with us. We started, that was in the January time, up to now, and we've learned about teenage pregnancy, drug abuse, early marriage, and many things. And Martha Inspire Foundation have helped and supported the majority of us, and then we've gotten that opportunity to speak even on air, and then sometimes TV discussion, just as the team was in the summit, maximizing our potentials. Through this, we've been able to maximize many of our potentials. In fact, Martha Inspire Foundation, it has helped us a lot to add up the drug abuse side. With Martha Inspire Foundation, we've learned that there are some certain drugs that we are taking, and then in taking of those drugs, you do abuse them because you don't take them as what the doctor has been prescribed by us to do. What Martha Inspire Foundation have donated to us, and even just today they came with some donations. And then some of the participants of this program, in fact, they've enjoyed being in the program. And in fact, it's just amazing. Thank you, Martha Inspire Foundation. Thank you, Plan Ghana.
I want to thank Plan Ghana and Martha Inspire Foundation for your caring and your support. Thank you very much.